So I do threat risk assessments, threat risk vulnerability assessments for companies. And what we do is we first identify your critical assets. So what is you really trying to protect here?
Yeah, that's
like what is actually, what is important to you that we're going to dedicate some resources to. The threats and risks against those assets. Where are you based? If you're, where we are based here versus if you were downtown Toronto, and different kind of threats and risks of being in the downtown area. We're going to evaluate what security measures you have in place. You can't come, access controls and those types of things. And, the likelihood and the impact if something were to happen. And then we would do, what are the residual vulnerabilities? And then we go to mitigate those risks and the vulnerabilities. So yeah, you're to your point, we drive ourselves crazy if we're worrying about every single thing all of the time. But what we want to do is we kind of think, okay, where am I having my sensitive conversations? I'll do that in the office. I won't do that in my car. So now I've got to worry about my car. So I'm breaking into my car and putting things in there. Like you kind of want to limit where you're holding your sensitive information, where you are providing access to yourself, and make sure kind of there's protection around that. In the book, I talk about